Greetings, mother, and to you, father.
Greetings, my daughter. May today favor us all.
Ise. My daughter, you look so dull today. Are you okay?
I am fine, mama, just that I met a man recently.
Then what happened?
Nothing, I didn't give him a chance to speak.
Why?
Because of what happened in the past.
Maybe you should consider giving him a chance if he is a good person.
If you say so, Papa.
This is so peaceful,
It is.
and our little friend is enjoying it.
He certainly is.
Today, we are celebrating 1 year anniversary of our friendship. Tomorrow, you will become mine officially.
All thanks to Okike.
I hope this young man will not die like the former. Though Oma is a good girl.
Greetings, my elders. Greetings, young man. What brings you here? I love Oma and I have come to marry her. Do you know this young man and do we accept his proposal?
Yes, Papa, I know him. Go ahead.
He's coming from the river. He's coming. A man with blue eyes. So Obi is mad. This is not ordinary.
Something follows that girl.
Oma is not meant for any man of this world. Greetings, my friends. It's been a while since we last met. Yes, we heard what happened, and that is why we are here. I am still speechless. Oma is a good girl, no doubt, but we cannot continue to watch our young men die or run mad for nothing. I think it's high time you visited the chief priest on this issue. I will do the needful. Thank you so much, my people.
What is going on? It took me 1 year to say yes to Obi, yet same old story. Obi is mad. How?
Just look at her. That girl is possessed.
Cutie, stop, okay? You don't have to fight. Let them talk.
My husband, what is happening to our daughter?
This is beyond us.
Then what shall we do?
We will go to the chief priest. What did you see? Your daughter, she belongs to two worlds. The world of humans and the marine kingdom.
My daughter, what will become of you?
I will not belong to the waters.
My child, the spirit that claims you is powerful.
I know, but I will fight for my freedom. So DK, the man in my dreams, has been the one tormenting and killing all my suitors. I thought those dreams were nothing. I think it is time to confront him one-on-one.
You cannot escape the waters, Oma.
We shall see.
Another one has come. Does he not value his life?
My name is Obinna, and I have come for Oma. Young man, do you know what you are walking into? I have heard the stories.
Then leave while you still can.
I am not afraid of spirits.
Men have said those same words and they are no longer alive.
I am not those men.
Why would you risk your life for someone you just met?
Because something about you is not meant to be feared but fought for. Tell me the truth. What did you see?
A man from the waters, he calls himself DK.
Then let him come. So other man has come to die. I do not fear you. They all said that. You carry my mark. You are bound to me. The bond is real. She has chosen her life. And you think you can protect her? Obina! No man can stand against the waters.
I did not choose this, but I will not be controlled.
Impossible.
That's it, but I will not be.
You are awakening.
I belong to myself.
You cannot escape what you are. And you, your death is already written.
She stopped the river. She is not ordinary. We are here, child.
And I am with you. So you can fight spirits now.
I don't know what I am becoming.
Then we will face it together. You are losing her. No. She will return to the waters. Even if I must destroy everything above to take her.
Thanks for being here for me, Obina.
It is for us, it is our war, and it has not ended. We are together in this.